Bonsoir, bonsoir. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are listening to me. I am a digital marketer and I normally speak about how to make money online. Today, if you are on my page, welcome and God bless you. I think all of you are asking yourself, everybody digital, and they are talking about a lot of money. Is it possible? Is it true? Is it real? What's going on in the world right now? Let me tell you. First, digital marketing or digital product is something more easy for every one of us to try to be part of it. Why? Because you don't need inventory, you don't need a stack, okay? You don't need a store to storage the thing. You just need your brain and create something who can be useful for some people in the world. So first, you can take what you are good at, or you can use even AI so that you can come out of misery and help your own family to. Some of you feel taking your family in vacation, you feel to have a nice house, having pool and so on. So for us especially, it's so hard because we are not born like that. So what is that you can do? What is that you can do so that you can come out of this problem? So, in case you want to go further, and I will be making more video for you. And in this video also, I'm going to speak a lot. So please stay focused and subscribe and send a message. Tell me what you think. Even if it's a criticize, positive or negative, you are welcome because I want to have a family. I want to be together with you. I want to see you grow without you to spend a lot of money or to pay me this, to pay me that. But the thing is, I really want to see your success. And to be sincere, I am not yet there, but I am working. The same way I am working in it hard, I want you to be part of that work. And not you will not regret that. And I believe none of you are there. You are watching me anywhere in the world. If you are watching me today and you are serious about making success in life, especially in digital product, for sure you will not regret. So I have some product in my store, so you can check my bio and go to the link on my YouTube and you can buy like one or two. It depends, whatever you feel free to do. So please stay connected for the next video. God bless you. See you in the other side. God bless you. Bye bye.